Hi, I'm Jeremy, Regional Sales Manager for Southeast Asia at OPSWAT. Here at OPSWAT, we focus on protecting the world's critical infrastructure, and today I'm going to run through the platform that we have created and how we can help you secure your organization across both IT and OT systems. Let's take a look behind me here. On the left, we have security solutions focusing on your IT infrastructure, while in the middle, we have our cross-domain solutions, which covers connections and transmission of data and files between the IT and OT networks. Finally, on the right here, you have your OT security solutions. Now, as we move back to the IT network here, you can see that there are several solutions in our platform that focuses on IT security. I'll start off with Meta Defender Core, our file security technology. Here is where we scan your files, whether it is at rest or in transit, through our multi-AV and patented CDR or content disarm and reconstruction technology. This ensures that malicious files will not enter your organization or worse, be opened by one of your employees. You're seeing several different screens here because files in transit can enter organization from untrusted sources through multiple vectors. And our objective here is to protect your IT infrastructure from all untrusted files. Built in our Meta Defender Core technology is the ability to integrate through API with third-party applications or your own in-house applications. Pair it with our ICAP solution, and you can work with your supported network device, such as your firewall, proxy, or load balancer to scan your HTTP traffic. Pair it with the email gateway solution, and we will be able to scan all emails and attachments that your organization receives. Pair with our secure storage solution, and we can scan your file storages whether it is in your environment or in the cloud, while our Vault solution ensures files are stored securely, actively scanned, and safe for use at any time. But now that we have ensured files entering or in your network are safe, what about your endpoint devices? Over here, we also see the Meta Access technology that ensures that any endpoints connecting to or accessing your resources on your network or in your cloud comply with your set of security posture policies that you can customize based on your own individual requirements. So on top of ensuring that malicious files are not in your network, you also ensure your endpoints are safe from vulnerabilities and attacks as well. Now, files don't just move through your network digitally. Movement of files into your OT network can be in physical form as well. Now, as we move into the cross-domain solutions, what you see here is our kiosk technology. You might have third-party vendors or contractors who need to bring in removable media, such as USB drives, CDs, DVDs, SD cards, or sometimes even floppy disks to diagnose or update your OT systems. We leverage on the same patented Meta Defender technology to scan these files with our kiosk hardware. On top of that, we have even built the same multi-AV technology into a portable, bootable USB form factor to allow you to scan entire endpoints. With that, you can bring the Meta Defender Core scanning technology with you anywhere you are. If your staff or contractors need to bring their portable devices, such as laptops, into your secure OT networks, this can be utilized to ensure that there are no malicious files contained in these devices. To the right here, we start to see our OT-centric technologies such as NetWall. The purpose of NetWall is to protect against outside threats and ensure your environment is air-gapped and to physically ensure that only one-way communication is possible in your OT environment. Finally, we move on to the OT environment, and at the top here, we have our Neuralizer solution. Neuralizer is an intrusion detection technology that gathers and analyzes your OT traffic and builds an entire inventory and network map of your OT environment. You cannot protect what you can't see. With this technology, you have full visibility into the devices in your network, as well as how and when they communicate with each other in one single solution. Now, below that, we have our Meta Access OT solution. Similar to Meta Access in your IT environment, this technology allows you to securely access your OT devices and configurations remotely. Now, last but not least, we have our OT Fuse. This is your last line of defense against attacks or malicious activity in your OT environment. OT Fuse actively learns the traffic patterns and how your OT devices communicate with each other, and if it detects any anomaly that could possibly be malicious, it can generate an alert or block that traffic. Now, some of you may be thinking, what if I have traffic or data moving in the other direction from the OT to the IT network? Now, as we move into the cross-domain solutions, the same net wall technology ensures that traffic is strictly one way. For example, if you're trying to replicate your OT database into your IT environment for visibility and monitoring. Over here at the kiosk level, our DLP feature within the kiosk solution will ensure that removable media does not contain any sensitive data or intellectual property that's not supposed to be leaving your OT environment. If files are transferred back to your IT environment, the same secure storage and vault solution once again ensures that files are always secure and safe. As you can see, our integrated platform is purpose-built for IT and OT, protecting your critical infrastructure, securing your networks, assets from malicious intent, and ultimately keeping your business up and running safely. If you would like to learn more about our solutions, please visit us at OPSWAT.com. Thank you.